Hi guys, I'm Asad Kothari and welcome to this video again. And this video is about how to use the presentations. Oh my god, this is a wonderful resource that I'm going to share with you now. And हमारे पास जो है एक resource है जो presentations हैं basically. If you're studying from me online या physical कहीं भी, तो जो हमारा resources वाला folder है, this on your screen. तो AS level resources है let's say, तो इसमें third last folder check करो presentations का. And these presentations is a very fast way to go through any chapter that you wish to revise. Let's say if Unit 1, Chapter 1, I go in the presentation. And these presentations are very colorful, have some pictures in this. And like very briefly, I have tried to cover all the concepts. So these presentations, I think so, is a very good resource that you can use in whatever order you like. Maybe you watch the lectures and then homework and then notes and then maybe the presentations. Order koi zaruri nahi hai. These resources are just like different ingredients, different options available for you. उन सारी resources के अंदर कौन कौन सा ingredient कितना कितना इस्तेमाल करना है तो वो तुम्हारा decision होगा. तो you want to make the best meal, right? So this is what it is. So yeah, these are the presentations that you can use. Drop us your questions, drop us your feedback so we improve further. And bye bye. Have a good day.